Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows update error, that is 0x800703f1. So if you are receiving this error code when updating your Windows 10 or 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now if you have Windows 11, click on system, then you will see the troubleshoot option. Now, if you have Windows 10, you have to click on Update and Security. Now, once you click on Update and Security, then you will see the troubleshoot option. So, click on Troubleshoot and then click on Other Troubleshooter or Additional Troubleshooter. Now, over here, you will find Windows Update. In Windows 10, simply click on Windows Update. Then you will see the option which says Run the Troubleshooter. Now, in Windows 11, here is the Run option. Click on Run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 or 10. Now, the next step is to use Windows 10 Update Assistant or Windows 11 Installation Assistant if you have Windows 11. So, for Windows 10 users, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Update Assistant. Click on Update Now. Then run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now, this will load Windows Update Assistant. And if there is any update, it will let you know and you can click on install or update. Now if you have Windows 11, then go to this website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on accept and install. Now if you don't see Windows 11 installation assistant, it comes and goes away in few seconds. In that case, go to the download location. So go to the download folder, downloads, and then make a right click on Windows 11 installation assistant and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for. Put a check over here and select Windows 7 and then click on apply, click on OK and then make a double click and then you should be able to see Windows 11 installation assistant. Then click on accept and install and it will start downloading the update. Now the next step is to reset Windows update components. So copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here and then open Notepad on your computer. Click on type in Notepad in Windows search box, then click on Notepad over here. Paste all the command over here and then go to file, then click on save as. You can save it to desktop. Name it as wuauserv.bat. And then for save as type, select all files and then click on save. Now go to desktop. Now over here you can see wuaufix file. Make a right click on wuaufix file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now it will go ahead and first of all stop all the Windows update components and then it will run some scan. Now the scan will take some time. So let the scan complete. Once all the scan is complete, then it will restart all the Windows update components. And once this is done completely, you can close this box and then you can restart your computer. So make sure that you restart the computer after this process is complete. And then after the system restart, you can try to update your Windows 10 or 11. Now the next step is to use media creation tools. So if you have Windows 10, go to this website. Now over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on accept and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next and then it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. And after the installation, log into your computer and your Windows 10 should be up to date. Now, if you have Windows 11, go to this website. And then here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then run this exe file. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. And then select ISO file. Then click on next. Now you can save it to desktop. So select desktop over here. And then click on save. Now once the download is complete, go to desktop and make a double click on Windows ISO file. Now make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11. Now install Windows 11. Click on next and it will check for update. Then click on accept. Again it will check for update. This process will take some time. Again, before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and your Windows 11 should be up to date and you should not receive that error message anymore. Now in case if nothing is working, do a clean installation of your Windows using USB flash drive. Now before you do a clean installation, create a backup of your data, as clean installation will result in loss of data and application on your computer. So to do a clean installation, you can go ahead and copy this link. I made a separate video on how to do a clean installation using USB flash drive. So this is shown for Windows 11. So you can follow the steps for Windows 11. Now the steps are same for Windows 10 users. You only have to go to this website and then download the media creation tool from here and then follow the steps from here to do a clean installation of your Windows 10. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.